it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all well. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk VIP. And you can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. I also have a website, tellystalkinchalk.ca, that you can visit as well. You will see most of these pieces, maybe not all. But anything that you see here today is for sale. So if you would like it, message me after the live and I will get back to you. Hello, everybody. Some people are beating me on and I haven't even shared this out yet. So hello. Just saw a heart pop up out of nowhere. And I didn't do it. Oh, it's gonna give me this way again. Oh, hey Ryan, how are you? That's who's on with me. Alright, let me just get this shared out, and if you can do the same, that would be awesome. Trying to make sure that I'm not doing it in other people's, because that's just not good. There we go. I got it all sorted out now, and I'm going to show you some of the cutouts that we have going. So we have let's start with our Christmas, I guess. We have our little reindeer. Does that fall over? These are double-sided. Did I do both sides? Oh, I didn't do the other side. So I can do the other side in whatever color you want. Just in case you want the deer to stay out, but you have an idea of a neutral color that you would like to keep it for when it's not Christmassy time. Or maybe you could even use them for fall. Actually, let's move them up here. So those are my first ones. Then we have the Christmas trees. And I did them all in different colors, just for fun. And then I did them also in black on the second side. So I'll show you the back sides. The black. What are you up to today, Ryan? Just this one and this one. Then we have the houses. And these houses are all different, so bear with me here for a second. We've got a bunch of them. So these two would go together. So they're the same. And I thought I had... Where did the one that goes with this one go? It's not this one. Those two can go together. And there's this one, but I don't know. Is this the one? No. Because this one's more of a fall one. Could have sworn we made another one with this one, but... Alright, so those are the 6 that I have. And I will turn them all over to show you the other sides. Maybe I'm going to end up showing myself where the other one looks to be. Oh yeah, because this one would have matched this one. And then this one's just a double side one there. This one, let's go. That one. And that. Oh, okay, cool. Busy, eh? Alright, so I'm just going to lift these up. Then I'm going to show you our Easter eggs and bunnies. These ones are only single-sided right now. I can do a neutral side on the other side. And you can situate these whichever way you want. I'm just showing them for this way. Yeah. Oh, and I didn't even do the backs of these ones. I thought I did. Wow. Okay, so I can do the backs of all of these and put them together. If you're looking for something for Halloween, we've got our pumpkins. They're really cute together. Right? And then I did a different decor on the back, just for stripes. Oh, I think I know where the other houses went. Oh no, those are hearts. Never mind. Whoa! I just felt like I just fell over. Wow, that felt weird. Alright. So now I'm going to show you this way. That was crazy. Goes back a bit. Just a tiny bit. Because this can go like this. Oh wait, wrong one. This needs to go this way. So this one goes like that. It's a 3-piece. Or, oh, I guess I have to move this guy up with it. And that one goes like that. Yeah, no problem, dude. And even if so, if they don't sell, I can sell them to you at a later date. So those are those ones. And then we have our hearts, which are going to be our last pieces. If I don't throw them on the floor. Oh, and I only did, no, I did one side of one and 2 sides of the other. So I've got a red one and a pink one. The white, and then I can do the opposite on the other side. Yeah, isn't it cute? So I can do up the backs of all the ones that don't have backings if you want. Anybody that's watching, even if you're on the replay, hashtag replay and let me know where you're coming in from. And that is all I really have for you today. I just wanted to show you all my finished goods and see if anybody's wanting them. Wouldn't they be cute? But that is all I have. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, so I'll be here again at 5, and we'll actually be crafting tomorrow. Not sure what we're crafting yet, but we will be crafting. I will see you then. Bye, guys.